Hi brother and sister of the leaf, this is Al-Lami, Big Smoke Cigar Kuwait, Monday outdoor meditation, and today we're gonna smoke the Oryx region edition for Qatar, and today is the Independence Day and we are sharing their happiness with smoking the Oryx. It is 52 by 135 and release on 2011, only 1,000 bucks. Beautiful stick, as you can see. You can see the cap, triple cap, and there is no soft spot at all. Here, and light caramel color wrapper, and the aroma, cedary aroma, and the foot. I smelled it before. It was soury. I have this stick for a long time and I'm happy to share my friend in Qatar and cigar aficionado in Qatar their Liberation Day by smoking the Oryx. Salute everybody, stay tuned with me. Back again, we're gonna cut it. Stay with us using the Cigar oval one, and also it's sharp, similar to the XO, but you need to concentrate more. So only you need to snap, and you will get beautiful and slash. Nothing in it. Beautiful, amazing draw. This is the cap. We'll cut it here. Stay with me. Stay tuned with the Oryx. Back again with the Oryx and normal flame writing. So as usually say always, it should go slowly, just toast the face. People there asking how. It's like that. Just you will have a great toasting. I blow it. Beautiful. Take it easy. You can see the burning and the smoke will come like that. Don't go inside to the wrapper. Just go only on the face like that. Yes. Then you will have a blow, and then you turn when you are like that. Beautiful start. Beautiful start. Stay tuned with me. My brother and sister early, the Oryx today, sharing the celebration of Independence Day for the Qatar, our cigar friend aficionados. It's a beautiful start. Actually, this cigar is with me for a long time. The draw is so amazing, as you can see. providing rich, creamy smoke. The construction and the burn is excellent. The start was so amazing. As you said, the wrapper was showing cedary aroma, and the food was giving soury. That means it's been enjoyed in that box and in the humidification. The start was amazing, earthy flavor. Then cedary flavor showed. It's starting very calm. Usually the Cuban cigars, if they start aggressively, it will be not a good sign, but very, very nice. It's starting earthy, then cedary flavor, and now the roasted nut. It's amusing, the taste. The aftertaste is so amazing. I wish everybody will try it. It's only $1,000 around the world and released in 2011. So great, creamy. You can feel it in your mouth. The draw is excellent. It's not enough for it. And the aroma, so many people, I'm smoking outdoor here and they are asking what you are smoking. We're not gonna be kings more, or they call monarchy more than the kings, but Bolivar have a great reputation. From 10 cigars, you will get 9 good ones. This is the Bolivar Oryx, sharing the Qatar people, their celebration on Independence Day. Stay tuned with me. We'll be back. Back again with the Oryx. You can see, beautiful, amazing. The burn is so great. We'll put it down. I hope it's not gonna fill the ash. Then we'll have our what they call it. Okay. Then we'll have our chocolate time. It's a great Monday. It's a great start of the week for some people, and it's the second day on the week for some people. And the chocolate is not going to open easily because we want to do it so quickly. And how we're going to do it so quickly, and it's not opening. So let's have our chocolate. I always say, chocolate, it will prevent your nicotine rush. So today we are with the Oryx, one of the great regional on the market, released into $1,000, box of 25. So, this is the Oryx. Qatar and Bolivar, they joint venture with this beautiful cigar. Draw the triangle, draw aroma. Flavors, they are excellent. Anyway, today, so much people asking me how we maintain our cigars at home with a disco. This is our tip for today. First, don't buy a Chinese humidor. Second thing, buy a humidor that will keep minimum 50 cigar because this is normal. Second, it should be a good brand. I'm not going to name any brand. Third, temperature, it should be 18, 19 maximum. Otherwise, I'm speaking in Kuwait or in the region. Different country, different humidity, different temperature. But for us, is 69 is the perfect. You will get a great cigars. Humidification should be good. The humidor should be good. So you keep your temperature 69, humidity 69, or you'll at least 19 and 69, 68. There is no problem. Why we keep the temperature on 18, 19? Because in the region here, the humidity high, temperature go high. This is organic bacteria inside. Suddenly, fungus will happen. That's why we keep the temperature 19 to prevent the bacteria and the fungus. This is the issue for reducing the temperature. Humidity 69 will give you a perfect smoke. Some people like it 70, 71, but you don't want to make it so much humid so the cigar will light from inside and not light from outside. You will have a default and a burn and so much problem. Monthly, if you have a disc above 50, keep your cigars together. You can put a cedar wood if you want to separate them. There is no problem. Monthly, you open the humidor and wipe it from inside because there will be like a scale on the wood. Monthly or 2 months, there is no problem. Weekly, check your humidifier and you will get great cigar. When you open the humidor, you will be hit with a beautiful aroma that you will never believe. But this is the element. You buy the humidor for one time, so buy a good brand to keep your cigars. You're not gonna buy a 50 kd humidor and you will keep the cigars for 1000 kd inside it. There is no logic in it. Don't go cheap on your humidor because you are buying great cigars. If you want to be cheap, you will regret sooner or later. Chinese humidors, mostly they survive. They have a good looking humidors, but inside there is nothing. So 1 month, 2 months, and then you start crying. Your cigar is dry. Your cigars sometimes it make fungus immediately because they have a layer. They all of them cedar lineup. It's not a cedar wood here. Anyway, for me, first, good brand humidor, good humidifier. Then you will maintain your humidor. For me, I open if your humidor is not going to be open every day, at least you will breathe it every week and check your humidor. Open it every week, check your humidifier, take your cigar. If you have one humidor, if you have two humidors, so one you will keep it every month. You will check it every month because if you didn't open much, you're not going to lose that humidor. But always be careful with the temperature. It should be 69 or and the centigrade will be 19, 18. That's my advice. That's my experience. And then you will get beautiful cigar blend. Construction-wise, aroma-wise, flavor-wise, not dried, not blocked, and whatever. The humidor is important. I always say, don't go cheap on your humidor. So, we'll do the upside down today. I don't want to go on the lighter. Let's go on the sister. And we'll upside down the Oryx. Beautiful, as you can see. This is approximate 2 inch. Have a blessed Monday, everybody. Al-Lami, Big Smoke Cigar Kuwait, Monday outdoor motivation, smoking the Oryx, sharing the celebration with our brother and sister of the Eid on Qatar for their Independence Day. Yes, stay tuned with me, I will be back. Back again, just to show you there is nothing inside. So that's still smoky, and we'll show you how to smash it. There is nothing inside. Beautiful until now. No label. Second, the earthy flavor came back again, and I assume it will be a great second, third of that cigar. It's an enjoyment actually. It was an opportunity to smoke this after a long time, and I hope everybody will have blessed Monday. Wish Qatar a happy Independence Day, and thank everybody who is supporting me. I hope my tips helping you, brother and sister of the Eid, and don't hesitate to ask me any question. I will be happy to answer it. This is Al-Lami from Big Smoke Cigar Kuwait. Salute everybody.